Can a sub-$1,000 gaming laptop really deliver? That's the question more and more gamers are asking. Gone are the days when you needed to drop a fortune for a decent gaming rig. Brands like HP, Acer, and Asus are stepping up with laptops that won't break the bank. Enter the HP Victus, a laptop that promises high-performance gaming without the hefty price tag. The gaming laptop scene is more competitive than ever. HP is diving into the budget-friendly arena with the Victus line. These laptops aim to give you the essential features for smooth gameplay without sacrificing affordability. But can the Victus deliver on its promise of top-tier performance without the premium price? Let's dive in. Under the hood, the HP Victus packs a punch, designed to handle the most demanding tasks and games with ease. You can choose from configurations with powerful graphics cards like the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650, ensuring smooth and immersive visuals, or even the RTX 3050, which brings advanced ray tracing capabilities for lifelike lighting and shadows in your games. For processing power, you're looking at options like up to a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, both of which offer exceptional performance for multitasking and gaming. To keep things running smoothly, there's 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which ensures that your system can handle multiple applications and games without any lag. And a spacious 512 GB SSD, providing ample storage for all your games, files, and media, while also offering fast load times. And the display? A 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate for that competitive edge, making every frame count in fast-paced games. Gaming laptops and heat go hand in hand, right? HP knows this, which is why they've equipped the Victus with an advanced cooling system. It features wide rear vents that expel hot air efficiently, so you can game for hours without worrying about thermal throttling. Section 5. The Victus Experience, Pros and Cons. Let's talk pros. The HP Victus shines in its performance-to-price ratio. For gamers on a budget, this laptop offers a compelling package. You're getting a lot of power for your money. It handles most modern games with ease, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience. The 144Hz display is a major plus, offering incredibly smooth visuals. This is especially noticeable in fast-paced games. Design-wise, it strikes a good balance between gaming aesthetics and everyday usability. It's sleek enough for professional settings but still has that gamer vibe. But no laptop is perfect. Let's discuss some of the cons. Battery life isn't its strong suit. If you're planning on long gaming sessions, you'll need to stay near a power source. Expect to stay tethered to an outlet for extended gaming sessions. This can be a bit of a hassle if you're on the go, and while the cooling system does its job, the laptop can get noticeably warm under heavy load. This might be uncomfortable during long gaming marathons. Finally, the build quality, while decent, isn't as premium as some higher-end laptops. It may show signs of wear and tear more quickly. Section 6. Putting the Victus to the test. I spent some quality time with the Victus, putting it through its paces with some popular games. AAA titles like Forza Horizon 5 and Cyberpunk 2077 ran surprisingly well on medium to high settings. The 144Hz display truly shines in fast-paced games like Apex Legends and Valorant, providing a noticeable advantage. Multitasking wasn't an issue either. The Victus handled browsing, streaming, and light photo editing without breaking a sweat. Section 7. Victus versus the competition. The budget gaming laptop market is crowded. The Acer Nitro 5 and Asus TUF Gaming A15 are two strong contenders in this arena. The Nitro 5 often edges out the Victus in terms of raw processing power, while the TUF Gaming A15 boasts a more durable build. However, the Victus manages to hold its own with its impressive 144Hz display and well-rounded performance. Section 8. The verdict: is Victus right for you? In this segment, we'll dive deep into whether the HP Victus is the right choice for you. The HP Victus is a compelling option for casual gamers, students, or anyone looking to dip their toes into PC gaming without spending a fortune. It's designed to cater to those who want decent performance without breaking the bank. It delivers solid performance, a smooth display, and a sleek design at a price that's hard to beat. The laptop's build quality and aesthetics are impressive for its price range, making it a great value proposition. So, what do you think? Does the HP Victus meet your needs and expectations? Is the HP Victus the budget gaming champion we've been waiting for? It certainly has the potential to be a game changer in the budget gaming laptop market. Let me know in the comments below. I'm eager to hear your thoughts and experiences with the HP Victus. And be sure to check out my full review on the channel for a more in-depth look. There I cover all the details you need to